Every year, the President proclaims September 15th through October 15th as National Hispanic Heritage Month. The White House usually invites Latino pop stars to perform. One year, the White House celebration included flamenco dancer Joaquin Cortez. Another year, artwork by Ecuadorian Gabriel Gros was on display at the U.S. Postal Service headquarters in Washington, D.C. In Los Angeles, California, Hispanic Heritage Month was celebrated with the dedication of the Plaza of Mesoamerican Heritage. The dedication celebration featured a traditional Aztec fire dance.
Calle 8 is at the heart of Miami's thriving Cuban-American neighborhood, Little Havana. Shops of all kinds, from pharmacies to pet groomers and auto upholsterers, meet the needs of the neighbors, while its bakeries and restaurants celebrate the Cuban heritage of delicious cooking. Domino's, a popular pastime among young and old in Cuba, is also the favorite game in Maximo Gomez Park, located on Calle 8. Even the sign for Calle 8 is decorated with dominoes. Alamo Plaza is a central location for the events of Fiesta de San Antonio. Alamo Plaza also features the Cenotaph, a statue built 100 years after the battle at the Alamo. Around the base of the statue are relief sculptures of famous individuals who lost their lives in the battle. The fiesta tradition of a battle of flowers at the Alamo began in the 1800s. Ladies of the city threw flowers at one another from their carriages, symbolically recreating actual battles. Another popular fiesta event is a parade where the floats actually do float in the San Antonio River. San Antonio's lovely Riverwalk is a popular tourist attraction year-round, as are boat tours of the city.
We're going on the sweetest bridge right now.